So if your screen time looks anything like mine, you are being followed around the internet by one product.
Oh, let me guess. The Bearskin Hoodie.
The Baerskin Hoodie 4.0, exactly. The ads, I mean, they promise it's the ultimate outer layer, the last hoodie you'll ever need to buy.
Right.
And it's hard not to be a little cynical when the marketing is that aggressive. So is this all just hype? Or is there a genuinely useful product here?
And that's exactly what we need to figure out for you. We went through the source material, specifically a really detailed analysis from Unscam, to see if this thing is worth the money.
Okay.
We're just going to cut through all that noise and focus on one thing. Does it actually work in the real world?
All right, so let's start with what they're actually claiming. They say it's not standard fleece. It's 340 granism bearskin microfleece, which they claim is 20% lighter and a whopping 50% warmer than standard materials. 50% warmer. I mean, that sounds almost unbelievable.
It's a huge claim. And that's where you have to look at the technical specs. That 340 grism, that's grams per square meter, which for you just means it's a really dense, heavy-duty fabric. This isn't for lounging around, it's for serious gold.
Right.
And the high-tech part is how it integrates. They designed the hoodie to actually zip into a companion storm rain jacket.
Wait, it zips into another jacket?
Exactly, a modular system. And that other jacket has a 20,000 millimeter waterproof rating.
Wow.
To put that in perspective for you, that's expedition level. We're talking gear that can handle hours of heavy driving rain or snow without soaking through. Add in the adjustable waist, the Velcro cuffs, their windsolation system. It's a serious piece of technical gear.
You know, for me, this is where the design gets really compelling, especially for an adventure traveler or anyone who, actually uses their jacket for work.
The storage.
The storage. The source singles out the 10 secure pockets, not just 2 hand pockets. We're talking interior zip pockets, drop pockets, even pockets on the sleeves.
Yeah, that's a game changer for going hands-free.
Totally.
Yeah.
It's just intensely practical.
And, that focus on function seems to be backed up by the company itself. They're very transparent about the materials they use. They have clear sizing guides.
That's a good sign.
It is. And they support veteran organizations. They offer free shipping and a solid 60-day return policy. All of that signals they actually stand behind what they're selling.
Right. And that really lines up with what we're seeing in the customer feedback. There's this huge volume of positive Trustpilot reviews. People are praising the warmth, the fit, the build quality. But the most telling thing is the repeat business. So many reviewers say, this is my second or my third or even fourth one.
Yeah.
You don't buy a fourth hoodie unless the first 3 were great.
For sure. But we have to bring in the other side of it. There's always a balance.
Okay, the caveats.
Right. While the feedback on the product is overwhelmingly positive, there are some notes on the operational side. Some users have reported shipping delays, and some said customer service was a little slow to respond. There are a few small complaints about sizing being inconsistent, but these aren't widespread issues. They're just the main trade-offs you might have to deal with.
Okay, so putting it all together, the final verdict seems to be that the Baerskin Hoodie 4.0 is way more than just marketing. The claims about it being rugged and warm and super functional, they seem to be backed up by the specs and by a ton of happy customers.
Yeah, the key takeaway for you is pretty clear. The product itself seems to be highly worthwhile based on the features and all that customer approval, provided you're comfortable with the risk of some potential logistical snags, like a slow delivery or a wait for customer support.
That brings up a bigger question, I think. When you look at this kind of product innovation 10 pockets, that crazy waterproofing, how much should that superior quality offset our reliance on perfect logistics? When does a product's function actually trump our need for convenience? Something to think about.